பிரச்சனை இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு?
ரைட்டா.
சரி.
Hi guys, this is Surain from Website Creators. So today video is very interesting. So we can see on my computer screen, we have one web page here. We can see 3D animated character on this web page. You can see 360-degree image. We can rotate this 3D model in any web page. So in this any direction, and you can see background is also moving with the 3D model. This 3D model is animated changing by clicking this below button. We can stop this animation. And we can run the animation. And we can wave the animation. Another interesting part of this website design, you can see this display 3D model with augmented reality view. It means you can project this 3D model in your real space using your mobile camera and enjoy the experience. I will create this complete web page, very simple step, less than 10 minutes, and keep watching this video till the end. So now let's just start this video. So this is my project folder. Let me open this folder, and we have 3 documents. So let me zoom it. So this one is index.html file, and this one is RobotExpressive.glb, and this one is stadium.1_4k. So this one is background image. So let me open these files, which is brackets text editor. So let me open this file. So this one is index.html file, and I will remove these things. Because no need of that. So let me type basic structures of HTML. Remove this and remove this HTML language. Remove this one also, meta tag. So I will add one title. So AR web page. And in this title, and after this title, in the head tag, I will add one meta description. So we can see this web page on mobile friendly. So let's come back to the body tag. Before that, we need to export one script code. For that, let's come back to the Google Chrome. So This one is modelweaver.div web page. Let's come back to this web page and copy this script. Paste the script and come to your brackets text editor and paste it here. So let's come back to this body tag and type demo. Create the one div class name with this demo. So in this demo, we need to add one script. So let's again come back to this model weaver web page and copy this model weaver code and paste it into your web page. So let me delete this alternative because no need of that, and AR and remove this one also. Environment image and AR module also. That's it. Now we need to enter one ID. So in this model weaver, let me type ID. So ID is equals model. So delete this source file because it is the sample code. So we need to add one new source file. The source is robot. We need to add this. We need to add this file. So let me copy the file name RobotExpressive.glb. So auto rotate camera controls. So we need to add one more function. So skybox. There's image. So skybox image equals. So we need to add this file stadium underscore 01 underscore fourth care dot hdr. So let me copy the file name and paste it here. And after that, we need to add one animation name. So animation name equals running. And we will add autoplay. So it will be play auto. That's it. Now click here. This is the live preview. So it will connecting to your web page. So you can see the augmented review page is small. We need to get this web page full screen. So let's come back to your code. In this head tag, we need to add some inline CSS. So we need to internal CSS. So let me type style. So in this style, we need to add some CSS. So star, so it will be select the all element. So margin 0, padding 0. That's it. And copy the class name demo and paste it into the CSS script. So dot demo. In this demo, we need to add height and width. So height 100 VH. So VH means vertical height, and width 100%. So let's save the changes, and you can see page is looking good, but right now it is not full screen. So let's come back. Copy this demo class name dot demo and copy this model viewer HTML tag. So add here, and we need to design the model viewer. So for that, width 100% and height also 100%. So let's come back. So you can see this robot in the full screen. You can swipe this here. You can see the background image also 3D 360-degree rotation. So this robot is running. Now we need to add 3 buttons over here. So for that, let's come back. So in this demo, after this model viewer, let's create one div. Add the class name. BTN. Container. So BTN container means button container. So let's add 3 buttons. So let me type button. We need to add one type. So button type is button. So let me add the button name. So button name is stop. Let me duplicate this one. Change the text, run, and web. Save the changes and come back to your web page. And you can see these buttons over here. So let's come back. We need to design this button. So copy the class name button container. Come to the top in the CSS, inline CSS. Let me type button container. Position, absolute, and bottom 50 pixel, width 100%, and text align center. So let me come back, copy this class name, sorry, copy this HTML tag button. So let me design it for that, paste it here button. So in this button, let me type border. So don't need the border, so type none. So we don't need the border. So we need to add background color. So for that, let me type background. So background is add this color code EDD, and let me type height. So we need to set the height. Height is 40 pixel, and we need to set the width also. So width is 150 pixel. Margin 5 pixel and 15 pixel. Cursor, pointer, font weight, bold, font size 16 pixel. So we have set font weight, font size, cursor, margin, width, height, background, and border. So copy this button and again paste it into your web page and add focus. So in this focus, outline none. That's it. Let me refresh your web page and you can see these three buttons over here. But if I click these buttons, it is not working because we need to add JavaScript for this button working. So let me add some JavaScript code for these buttons. So let's come back. In these buttons, we need to add some JavaScript. For that, let me type one click, stop. So it will working for stop, and copy this code and paste it into the run also and the wave also. So change this function. It is the run and this one is wave. So let's come back to the web page. You don't see any changes because we need to add JavaScript functions. Let's come back, and after this div, before the body tag ending div. So let me type script. So in this script, we need to enter variable. We need to create one variable. So where space model viewer equals document dot get element by ID. So ID is model because we need to already create one ID. So ID is here. ID is model. So copy this ID model, paste it here, model. So let me create one function. So function. For this function, we need to create for stop function. copy here and paste it the function, and in this function model viewer dot animation name, animation name is equals none. Let me change this. Let me duplicate this function. Change this text. So this text for run and this one for where. Change this text also. So this one is where and this one is running, because we have already add this animation name where here animation name is running. So this is the how we can easily create one JavaScript, inline JavaScript. So let's come back to your web page, and it is running, and right now if I click here it will stop, and click the run button it will running, and if I click this web it will take the web surface. So this is the how we can easily create this robot web page, and you can easily create the argument review also. So let's come back. So here running model viewer autoplay, let's add AR. So AR means augmented review reality. So it is the augmented reality. So you can display this 3D model with augmented reality view. It means you can project this 3D model in your real space using your mobile camera and enjoy the experience. I will create this complete web page, very simple. So this is the how we can easily create this type of web page design using HTML, CSS, and simple JavaScript. So I hope in this video will be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. we have one question: how to get the source code of this project? So you can directly get your source code with the email. So let me come back first. Email. So in your Gmail, send the Gmail for this project. I will send you in your email.